Hi, I'm Jay, and today's video is showing you how to change your UV lamp inside of your Second Wind UV system. This particular model is a 2018. There are a lot of different models. Changing the bulb is pretty similar in all of them, but we're going to show you how to change it in this particular model so you get an idea how it's done. Be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. All right, now that the power's turned off and the UV is unplugged, we're going to go ahead and open it up to change the bulb. So this particular model has one lamp and it has a screw on the side here. So we're going to back that screw up, hinge it open. We're going to unplug the lamp. And this particular one, we have to remove these two little wing nuts to get the assembly into our hands. There's a little nylon wing nut here. We're going to remove this. Take out the old lamp, set it on the side, take the new lamp, put it in a position, snap it into this bracket here on this end. We're going to reinstall our little nylon wing nut here. There we are. Now we're going to reinsert this. I've been careful not to touch the bulb. If you do happen to touch the bulb, you can clean it with a cotton cloth and rubbing alcohol to wipe it down carefully. It's better to not have fingerprints on it. The oil from your hand can cause issues down the road. Okay, so I've tightened that up. Now we're going to plug it back in. It is not important as to which direction you do this, although you'll notice that it will only go on a certain, like it won't go on that way, but if I rotate this way, it goes on, okay? This particular one, I have the red wires on the left, the blue on the right, but it doesn't matter because I can spin this around and have it the other way. Blue on the left, red on the right, it doesn't really matter, okay? So it is somewhat polarity sensitive, but it can go on either this way or a 180 direction the other way. Okay, so that's all done. Now again, your unit may have two lamps or one. This particular model happens to have a single lamp, so it's a little easier to do. So we're going to close this cover, tighten the screw on this thing. Now we'll turn the power back on and we're going to check to make sure it worked. Okay, now that the power's turned back on, the unit's plugged back in, we're going to flip the switch. And yes, the light came on here, and if we look really closely here, the blue light also came on, which means the UV light is lit. You should never stare at a UV light. It's damaging to your eyes. However, we happen to have a window on the side of this unit here that we can kind of look inside with the camera so that we can show you what it looks like when it's lit up. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.